A zebra escaped from a zoo in the South Korean capital Seoul on Thursday and wandered the streets of a residential district for 3 hours before being caught and taken home. The video of the same went viral on social media. Siro, a 3-year-old male whose Korean name refers to his vertical stripes, escaped from the Seoul Children's Grand Park Zoo Thursday afternoon by breaking through the wooden deck around his enclosure, according to the zoo officials. Bemused pedestrians looked on as the beast trotted past cars, wandered down a street, and poked his nose in garbage bins, footage showed. Officials managed to trap the zebra and give it anesthetic muscle relaxants, Seoul Gwangjin Fire Station said. It was taken back to the zoo on the back of a pickup truck, footage showed. In the hours that followed, Siro ran amok in a nearby residential area in eastern Seoul as people looked on in shock. Social media was instantly flooded with photos and videos of the zebra bumping into traffic and galloping through narrow alleyways. Watching a video of Siro in the middle of traffic, I was so moved that the drivers were being so careful with our Siro. Cho Kyung-wook, the head of the Animal Welfare Department at the zoo, told NBC News in a telephone interview on Friday. Cho said that Siro's behavior had changed after the loss of both of his parents in the last 2 years, leaving him alone in his enclosure. Siro's misbehaving started especially after losing his dad last year, she said. He would refuse to return to his pen and ignore the callings of his handlers. As soon as the other zebra turned 3 next year, she will join Siro from another South Korean zoo. The lesson we have learned from Siro's escape is that we need to expedite the remodeling of the zoo as soon as possible, Cho said. We have a very old zoo and a lot needs fixing, including better security. The initial report of a zebra wandering around the neighborhood freely came to authorities at 3:43 p.m. according to the Gwangjin Ju Fire Station. An official from the station told CNN that as a group of fire officers arrived at the supposed location, they observed the zebra sprinting away and decided to pursue it. To keep it contained until zoo staff arrived, the policeman blocked its escape route from his back alley with safety barriers, fire vehicles and police cars. He claimed that at the zoo's request, fire officers avoided using anesthesia on the zebra. The animal was eventually brought under control by a team sent by the zoo, who arrived around 30 minutes later and gave it 7 doses of muscle relaxant, reported CNN. At about 6 p.m., officers put an end to Siro's unusual outing by loading him aboard a vehicle that took him to the zoo. In 2005, 6 elephants also broke free from the same park and charged into a school and a restaurant, and 1 person in the kiosk.